Hello, my name is Zach Robert. I'm the co-founder and CTO at Abyss, and today we are going to demo the affiliate section on the Abyss dashboard. Now, it is worth noting that everything you are seeing is a visual representation of our API. Abyss is dedicated to being an API-first company, and as such, everything you see is available via API integration. On our dashboard over here, we notice we're on the trades tab. We can see this little affiliate section, the drop down section under sub accounts. So as an affiliate with Abyss, you are going to need to register users as sub accounts. So we can see that we currently have no sub accounts. It is also worth noting that sub accounts is currently in beta. This is an incredibly bare bones feature and still waiting and still gauging to see how this will pan out. So right now we can create a sub account. It's very simple. All we need is an email and a name. So we can say john@test.com, and this will be Johnny Test. All right, so we're going to create Johnny Test. And we can see that john@test.com is now a sub account under my current affiliate. What we can do now is for john@test.com, we can set a custom partner fee. Let's give them 5 basis points. So now anytime Johnny Test submits a transaction, I will get 5 basis points on that as a payout. And we can see under affiliates, there's another section called payouts. So anytime Johnny submits a transaction, I will get a payout generated, and payouts are paid out at a regular interval right now at the end of every month. But before John can submit any transactions, we're going to need to verify them. So we can generate a verification link. Let's say Johnny is an individual. For the sake of this, we'll generate him a link. And we get a link that we can email to Johnny. The link expires in 1 week. For the sake of this demo, I've just gone ahead and marked Johnny Test as verified. Now that Johnny Test is verified, we can go ahead and manage his wallets and banks. Before Johnny can submit a transaction, he will need a wallet and a bank. So let's go ahead and add these in for Johnny. We can click the Manage Wallets button for Johnny, and we will go, it brings us to the wallets management page. And you can see there's a little warning, we're editing wallets on behalf of the Johnny Test sub account. As you can see, Johnny now has an Ethereum wallet. Now let's go do the same for banks. Let's go back to affiliate sub accounts and manage his banks. And once again, you can see that we are editing banks on behalf of Johnny Test sub account. Let's go ahead and fill this out. And you can see that we now have John's bank added. If we do click the bank section, give a little refresh. We can see that Johnny's bank is not under my banks. These are two separate things. The only way to see John's bank is to go ahead and manage his banks. And we'll see John's bank, not our bank. Sub account's bank and your banks are separate things, and they will be kept that way. But if we go back to sub accounts, we can now see that since Johnny has a bank and a wallet, we can now create a transaction. So let's go ahead and create a transaction for Johnny. And you can see that we're creating a transaction on behalf of Johnny. $500 for Johnny. From John's ETH wallet to John's bank. We'll select an ACH transfer. Now Johnny will then need to go and send his USDC to this address. We sent the crypto. Now let's go ahead and go to the payout section. We'll notice that there is a payout generated. And that's all there is to it. Johnny can also now go log into Abyss and do everything as he would. And I will always receive a payout based on whatever Johnny does for his transactions because he is a sub account that is verified under me. This is the Abyss sub accounts feature demoed. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support@abyss.com, or by clicking the support section here. You can also book a meeting with us if you would like. Thank you for watching. My name is Zach Robert. I'll see you in the next one.